Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Windows 11 build and that you have admin rights. This matters because tools need elevation. Next, make a quick backup of regex files to an external drive or OneDrive so you can test safely. Once done, temporarily disable third-party antivirus or real-time protection. Do not forget to note original settings so you can restore them. Now open File Explorer and select an affected file to begin systematic repair steps that follow. You now diagnose the cause. Regex often stems from corrupted cache or system components. First, clear the thumbnail and icon cache, then run command prompt as admin and execute sfc/scano to repair system files. If issues persist, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix component store problems. Also inspect file attributes with a trib and remove offline or temporary flags. This resolves many sync and display errors. Finish by re-enabling your antivirus and restoring any settings you noted. Confirming protection prevents new issues. If the regex persists, unlink OneDrive, sign out and back in, or reset the OneDrive app. Failure to sync often shows that icon. As a last step, test the file under a different user profile or perform a clean boot to isolate conflicts. If nothing changes, consider a system restore point. That single troubleshooting tip often recovers a recent working state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.